Hi again. Welcome to week 3 of the algebra course. In week 3, you're going to look at chapter 2. Chapter 2 is where algebra really begins. The first two chapters were basically a review of pre-algebra, but this is where real algebra begins. And algebra consists of solving equations. And the main principle in solving an equation is to do the same thing to both sides of an equation. The eventual goal is to get the variable that you're solving for on one side of the equation by itself and everything else on the other side. So in order to do that, what you have to do is the same thing to both sides of the equation, which means that you can add, you can subtract, you can multiply, and you can divide both sides of the equation by the same number or the same value. And eventually winding up with just x or y, whatever variable you're solving for, on one side of the equation, and some number on the other side of the equation. And once you have done that and you got your value, then a good strategy is to always check your answer. And the way you check your answer is by taking the result you got and plugging that back into the original equation and seeing whether both sides of the equation are still true.